Yeah, that probably what it was.
Order rejected. Order filled. Order filled.
Mm. Yo, what's up, Alfred? What's up? I mean, it's just one. Hmm. Debating. Hmm. Yeah, the NQ and for whatever reason, the NQ, ES, gold. This is why I mean, I just hate trading on the short side. I was up like $800, $900, and I think the peak of my position was $1,000 on silver, but the bears just couldn't finish the damn job. They couldn't finish the job. I'm not surprised. I was in at this targeting S1. I was targeting S1, but of course the bears failed. Of course. That's no real surprise. Bears are always disappointing you as a trader. Just always a disappointment to trade alongside bears. They're just such a disappointment. Bears came out up punching out of the gates just to get the bulls to almost. The bears basically is about to give up with this whole move. We already know that the bulls are about to take out that high on the ES and the Nasdaq. Oh shit! Wow, the Nasdaq. Wow, what's up with the Nasdaq? Dang, what's up with the Nasdaq? You say you underestimated it? What's up, Investor Z? What does that mean? You went against the market and went long, or you shorted? But I'm going to trade. So this XFA is going to be exclusively all silver trades. I somewhat have a strategy. All I know is that my strategy worked because I mean I was up in this trade. But obviously the bears just suck. So silver trades like the old ES. I think that's probably why it took me a while to see it too. Silver trades like the old ES. But it's so much more profitable. I think what I'm gonna start doing is I guess I should have done this, but I didn't want it to come back to my break even and then dump. Yeah, I was up $1,000 in this position. I let it come back. So I was up 1,000. It So if that $1,000 trade turned into a minus $180 trade. Hmm. I think so gold and silver are probably, but I think silver will probably be like once I get super comfortable with it, I think I'll focus mostly on silver. Because you can really just set a limit, and if it's gonna work, it's gonna work. If it's not, it's not. And look at the hold on, what's up with the Qs right now? I see the Qs right now. What's up with the Qs? Did we just get a drop? Damn, Nasdaq, what's going on? Oh man. The Nasdaq said, "Bump this, I'm out. I'm out." Of course. Of course. Of course. Mm. I did not have this many contracts. Congratulations on that investor Z, man. Mm. I'm not getting that same love from Nasdaq right now. I think I would have got stopped out. Nope. I wouldn't have gotten stopped out. Mm. Mm. Ah, shit. Oh, yeah, that's not it. That's okay. Almost spoken. Almost. guess when I stop trying to be cute with it and just do it. No hesitation, no fear, just execution, and see what happens. I'll be surprised of the result. All right, so I'm just waiting on this. I'm really waiting on this target, this limit order to be filled here on silver. That's what I'm really waiting for. Shit, first it was gold, it was all the rave. Now it's silver. Silver, 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 silver. All right, so we'll see if silver holds this. We'll see if silver holds, and we can see a push high, push higher. Long John Silver. Oh shit. Shit. Okay. You said that y'all want so you want ES to retest last night's low. Alfred, we could. I mean, shit. Honestly, man. I mean, I don't know, man. I don't think anybody knows. I mean, it does look like the market wants to crash out, but I just noticed something on the chart, and that's why I took this long here. We didn't take out pre-market's low, and we just made a double bottom, but a higher low. We could see the start of a reversal. We could see it. We could see a move back up potentially to that orb low. I'm gonna modify this. So I can take some profits off next time. Instead of having this thing, I can just break up some of this profit, take some, and then let some of it run. I can probably do that, but if I cancel this order, it's all it's gonna do is cancel the whole damn thing, or cancel the whole order. Or maybe not. Let me see. Okay. All right, I want to take 2 off there, and take 2 off there, and then take the full thing off. Right there at 580. Actually, yeah. All right. All right. Cool. I can live with this. Vindicate me, Nasdaq. Vindicate me. Hit that damn target. All right, cool. All right, so we got that target filled. Shit, we got our fucking money back too. Nasty Nasdaq. All right, so I don't think silver pulled back enough to fill my target. You know, it bounced right at R3. God damn. Damn, it bounced right at R3. Damn. It's okay. All right, it's okay. I mean, we're making money this morning. It's okay. I mean, I've made money in my Trader 500 account, which that's really the account I care about. For real. All right, we're coming up to this second or this target. Let's hit this target. All right. Right, so we got that target filled. Cool. So now all we have to do is just get the runner filled now. I'm gonna probably do the same thing I just did. Oh shit. Damn it. All right, that's what I was concerned about. So I'm just gonna take one off at this high right here. And then I'm gonna have my original TP. Well, you know, maybe I can just let this one really run. Yeah, I'd probably like to yeah, I just let one run to S4, why not? I mean, it's crazy, dude. It's crazy. It's like I was there at his conception. Like I was the person that's responsible for him, or whoever that person is. I must know his mom or something. That's probably why he's asking me like that. I must know this man's mom or something. I must have been there. Shit. The way he's asking me. I must have been the person that went out and got some milk a long time ago and never came back. Well, actually, I do plan on coming back. It's just that the milk ain't done yet. The milk isn't done. And then after the milk gets done, you know, I gotta wait for the cigarettes to get done. Ah, come on. Ah, come on, dude. Mm. Yeah, I think Gameway said that well, I mean, he may just be in the audience just lurking maybe, but I think he did say that he was taking the rest of the year off. You know, it's crazy. Like when people, like, you know, actually this is crazy. I was just talking to my partner about this yesterday. I was like, man, for whatever reason, I randomly thought about these scammers. Like I went to Marshalls or whatever, and you can obviously tell that these people are drug addicts. I mean, you can obviously tell. But they was walking around with little pamphlets that they printed out from like Office Depot or some shit like that. And they was like, yeah, do you want to donate to the church? You know, our church is this and that and blah, 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 blah. And I was like, dude, man, get the fuck on out of my face with that scamming bullshit, dude. You won't go to no damn church. You only go to the church of getting shot up in your arm. That's it. That's the only church you go to. And I'm not here for that. I'm not here for that. I was like, dude, I just randomly thought about that. And it's a coincidence that the person that, like I said, I must have been there at conception. I probably was. But the one thing that is like, dude, you're not even asking if you can provide me a service. It's like, hey, can I do something for you? Can I see that I don't know, like, I don't know, maybe you see the slides or something. Maybe I can make you a video. Maybe I can edit a couple videos for you, you know, make some shorts. You just asking for shit. Man, what the fuck? You're not even providing no service. Like, you're not even trying to work for it. You just asking for it. Like, that shit's crazy. What do I need? So if I sold, I would need to buy my way out. No, I would need to sell stop. So I'm just gonna try. I mean, I'm pretty sure I'm good, man. I'm pretty sure I'm good. Just gonna put that. I'm pretty sure I'm good. Hey, yo, what's up, Santiago? He said, did I tell the strippers about the YouTube channel? Shit. I ain't telling anybody yet. but the word apparently has gotten out. Man, that is frustrating, man. Silver, why did you do this to me? Silver, why did you do this to me? Why did you bounce right here? Why did you bounce right there? Oh, yeah, I guess I see. Okay, whatever, dude. Whatever. Whatever. The 50? Where did you see that at? Is it on the Nasdaq or the ES? Okay. Oh yeah, so yeah, if y'all guys got Discords, I'll probably add to the slides. I'll probably add to the slides if y'all guys want to showcase your wins, P&L calendars, wins, losses, whatever you want to share. I'll just add it to the slides, and it'll be a part of the stream. Like I'm not gonna have the ads or anything like that. Like I said, I'm not here for none of that bullshit. All right, I'll take that. That was a great Nasdaq trade. I'm just glad that I recognized this, man, because again, this is why I took the Nasdaq long, is because price did not take out this low. We basically got a double bottom. It didn't take out the low. It was consolidating. And I was like, I'm just going to, which right here creates that little range right here. So I took a chance on it. And I'm so glad that I did, because we got that big move higher. And shit, well, now that I got my money back, I don't have to, I can cancel those orders. Santiago said he'll post it. 259. So I still got a whole lot of trading to do. Yeah, what's up, Tony Gold? What's up? I'll take that. I'm gonna take it. Take that. But I'm disappointed in Lucid and I'm disappointed in Tradeify. I'm disappointed in both of these firms. I'm disappointed. If y'all guys wasn't with me last night, as you know, I just started trading silver. The reason why I started trading silver, or just looking at it more, trying to understand it, is because I like to hang out and just read people's opinions about gold in the metals chat over there at Top Step. And multiple people will post 20K P&Ls. Now, most of it, well, a majority of it's from gold. But there was some screenshots, multiple screenshots of silver positions up 10, 15, even 20K. One dude was going for 30. Just imagine making 20, 30K in one trade, man. And with silver, you don't need that much. Like, if you're trading the minis, 18 ticks is $900. 18 ticks on one contract is $900. That is the big leagues. Just imagine. Because all you gotta do is add a zero. So let's just say that Eurozone silver. Let's just say that you caught this small little move from top to bottom so far. Get my from top to bottom so far. On one contract, you'll be at $5,000 on one contract. Silver does not play. Micro silver on one contract, I don't need this thing to move too much. I think all I really need is a 180 ticks, and I can make the money that I need with one contract versus how much I would need to on gold. I have to trade multiple contracts. I would have to at least trade 5 contracts on gold to capture the same amount of money on silver. He said, why? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I just told you, man, look. Silver, and I'm starting to understand it. Silver trades like ES and moves like old ES, which is a good thing. I mean, shit, the tick size, the amount of money that you can make is already crazy. And if you add that with a whole lot of volatility, I don't think a lot of people would trade this damn thing. As you can see, silver, and I guess it comes with the territory. Silver is structure perfect. Do you see this? Dude, it's structure perfect. You got a break and they came perfectly right there. Like, dude, this is structure perfect. I guess it makes sense because people don't play around. You fuck around and you'll find out. You'll find out if you sit there and try to hold silver hoping it comes back. I think that's probably why it's so structure perfect. People take profits. People don't allow their positions to go too far into the red because you'll be down a whole lot. Like $90 is 18 ticks on a silver and $900 on the full mini. So yeah, Oh yeah, shit, dude. I can scalp silver. Like that scalping strategy that I got with the EMAs, dude. It's perfect with silver. Perfect, but the only account that would allow me to trade silver like that would be Top Step. Micro Silver is Top Step. Everybody else, oh yeah, that's probably why he was asking me why. Tradeify, Lucid, and those are the only 2 that I know. They only offer silver. They don't even offer the micro silver. Why the hell is that? Like, why? Because I was going to start trading my 25Ks with silver because all I needed was one contract. All I needed was a $90 stop, $200, $300 target, and I would have been done. That's easy. But Tradeify and Lucid doesn't offer it. They only offer the full mini, which it sucks. The futures desk doesn't offer it at all. Blue Sky doesn't offer it at all. I guess when you have a static drawdown in silver, that's an unbeatable mix. Actually, gold does respect. Yeah, gold does respect structure. Hold on, guys. Give me 1 second. I gotta take this call. Okay. Yeah, silver doesn't play. Yeah, she doesn't play. And gold does respect structure. Sometimes not EMAs. I'm not going to sit here and say that she does, but if you look at silver on a smaller time frame, like the 1 minute or a tick chart, you can see that gold respects structure. I mean, she does. Y'all see it, right? Now, where's gold at? She respects structure. See, she double bottoms, breakout. She rejected at that area right there. Draw so y'all guys can see it. I mean, if you're trading the price action and structure, I mean, she rejected right there. She bounced right there. Oops. You just have to kind of be patient with you just got to be patient with it. I mean, gold is structure perfect too. It's just that sometimes you just don't know if how deep she's going to go into supply or demand. That's the only thing that I find challenging with gold at times. I just don't know how far it's going to go. I don't know if it's going to find support here or if it's going to go lower and find support here. So I just go for the deepest level and hope for the best. I mean, obviously in this situation, I didn't get filled, so that sucks. But I mean, it happens with gold, I guess. You just don't ever know which level she's gonna or how deep she's gonna dig into it. I don't think silver's gonna. I mean, that's basically a double top right here. That's a double top. We'll see if they hold it though. We'll see. Yeah, it definitely did. Looks like I should have held that last target. Looks like I should have held that last target. Okay. But, you know, it was a great trade. I mean, I'm not going to complain about a good trade. I wonder, I mean, the Bears are basically going to give this up. I think we're going to probably see an orb breakout here. Especially, yeah, ES is already broken out of the orb. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right, Alfred. They're basically making back our money. Yeah, I don't know. Not for you to know. It's just all you have to do is execute. That's it. That's all you got to do is execute. 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 Mm. 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 I'm pretty sure I did that already, but mm. I mean, I wouldn't use it though. But Guess it's good to know. Yeah, I think it would have just stopped me out too. Mm. 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 Well, you too, Santiago. Oh shit, my bad. I got caught up in the phone call. I didn't know. Santiago says all he needs is his 50. That's all he needs. That's all he needs is the 50. No, good shit, Santiago. Good shit. Man, I don't think silver comes all the way down there though. That's why I'm like, I remember that level though, but I don't think silver comes all the way down. I think silver is going to continue to grind to the upside. And honestly, I don't even want to short. I thought about it. I don't want to short. I'm tired of shorting this market, and the bulls just keeps clapping bears. I think I'm just gonna start skipping out on shorts. And actually mean it. 225. Wow. 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 Silver is not gold, I guess. I guess the gold is not the NQ, and silver is not gold. Huh, man. Gold is not the NQ and silver is not gold. Hmm. That's a measured move. That's a measured move to the upside. I mean, if it hits, it hits. But man, man. Let me see what 45 looks like. Because that. Man, that would have been silver. I'm gonna get you. Silver, I'm going to get you. I'm gonna make you mine, silver. I'm gonna make you mine. So how much money I would be up right now if I actually paid attention to the actual structure? See, I was looking for deeper liquidity for silver, and man, I was actually okay. So where I got my limit at on silver, I was looking for that deeper pullback, you know, the same way how I would trade gold. But I guess in this instance, she literally top tagged. She top tagged this, and I just see that on my chart now. Well, I mean, I guess I saw it before. I just didn't. Like, I usually ignore it the same way I ignored on gold, because I feel like this is a trap. On gold, I feel like this is where people are going to get in. Their stops is going to be used to fill the orders sitting right here, and then we'll see the move up. But it looks like silver says, nah, we're going to stop right here first. We're going to go up. And then if we're coming back down, maybe we'll fill these orders for a move back up. On trade day, lets you trade micro silver. They got a 25K account. All right, so yeah, you're right, Santiago. ES too. Looks like ES is doing the same thing that it did the last time. I don't think the bulls are going to hold the orb low the way that this thing is looking. We'll see though. Silver plus 25K infinite money loop. Too bad Top Step doesn't have a 25K account. infinite money. All I need is I can risk 90 to make the $300 I need daily. Well, I guess that's for consistency, but I can risk 90, maybe make $700 per day. And the great thing about it is that 90, that 18 tick stop is so valuable, is so good that if I'm trading in the right spot, which is supply and demand like you're supposed to be trading, man, that's the risk to reward on silver is so good and crazy. It is so good, man. It's so good. So good. The risk to reward is so freaking good, man. I can lose 7 times in a row. And a good thing about silver is like when it comes to certain instruments, like ES, for whatever reason, if I lose, there's no emotional response. And the same thing happens on silver. So I think I guess it does fit my personality. I like to move with control and pack a powerful punch. I don't like to do too much of that. I don't like doing too much moving. That's why y'all guys don't see me scalp. I'll take one big trade, and that's my trade. God damn, y'all see silver breaking out? God damn, silver. Damn. Calm down. I'm not in it. I would have loved to have gotten some of this. I know it. Dude, silver is just going. Good thing I chose not to short it in this area. Because I'm looking at silver right now. It's coming up to a gamma level at 57. So, god damn, silver. So if you're at silver at the bottom on one contract, if you caught this, dude, you're up on one contract $1,000. One mini, you're up 10K right now. Wow. 10K right now. SIL for micro and SI for the full mini. The full mini is $50 per tick. Per tick. 18 ticks, you're down $900. You need to have a big account if you want to play with the silver. Micro silver, it's $5 per tick. So it's basically a mix between, so it's more than Nasdaq. No, actually, I think Nasdaq is $5 per tick, if I'm not mistaken. I think Nasdaq is $5 per tick. And 4 ticks makes 1 point. Yeah, so it's the same thing as Nasdaq. Or I think actually no, I think Nasdaq is 2.5. I think I was wrong there. I think it's 2.5. Oh no, I was right. Okay, no, it's $5 per tick. Yeah, and then a tick size is okay, so yeah, the Nasdaq is $5 per tick. You think so? You think silver wicks a lot, Alfred? That's interesting. It's interesting that we look at the same chart. I feel that silver chops a lot. It definitely chops a lot. You know what? I mean, Gold and silver right now is parabolic. I guess we can practice scalping. I guess we can practice long sherm silver. Let's see. Let's actually let me see where Hong Kong Fooey. Nothing but a super guy. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, I guess in that situation I would have to I guess in that situation. Actually, let me see how I got this one marked. Because maybe I did the same thing here, because I think that's how silver does it. Well, no. Ooh, look at that. I guess both works, I guess. I guess both can work. Like when it comes down. We'll see, man. We'll see. Yeah, I guess both can work. Oh, because that was perfect right there. Okay. Well, I'm going to leave my limit there. We'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. I'm only up 8 ticks. You said the 50 EMA? All right, so we'll see if this gambit will work here on silver. We'll see if this gambit works.
Order filled.
All right, we'll see. Let's see what happens here. This is a measured move because and then this is a measured move and price is at a gamma level on silver. So, I mean, I don't know. This is a gamble. I'm only risking of $180, 18 ticks. If this works, then we should see a rejection. If not, then I'll just lose $180 and lock out. Yeah, it just ran through that gamma level right there too. We'll see. We'll see what happens here. I mean, okay, there you go. Well, the thing's just gonna keep on going higher than. That's very interesting, Silver. That was very interesting. That was very interesting. Okay. Wow. Wow. Okay. Well. Oh shit. Forgot about that. I forgot about that. Hmm. Yeah, I saw that yesterday and they got an all-in price too. So if you pass the eval, they have an all-in price. Hmm. Really silver? Hmm. Interesting. 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 Hmm. Interesting. Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. Oh shit, they banned you, Alfred? I didn't know that. When did this happen? They say, yeah, you can have your money back. You can have your money back and don't come back. Hmm. Huh. Nice one, Silver. Nice one. Okay. Nice. Nice. Hmm. That's hilarious. I'm gonna need that bag. Have you tried contacting support? You can't log into the site at all? Silver, why? Why did you not want me to be a part of this pullback? You know, honestly, I'm not trading pullbacks anymore, man. I don't. This would be the last time that I take a trade like this. I'm not trading. So as the market goes higher, if it's not pulling back into like a previous area of supply and or supply or demand, I'm not going to take the trade anymore. I'm not going to take the trade. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, at this point, I really don't even take Apex serious. I mean, every time I get the account, I blow the damn thing. But I mean, moving forward, I guess I could just start practicing silver, I guess, on Apex accounts. I don't care if it's all in or honestly, I don't even care about that. Apex is the only firm that I haven't had gotten a payout with yet. But I've gotten paid out from all the other firms except freaking Apex. Yeah, that's not a strong green candle. That's a doji, so I can't buy that. Mm. And I can really take this scalping strategy, and we can just trade silver. I mean, we've made we made so much money on silver so far, just by scalping it. Oh yeah, I haven't gotten a payout. Well, actually, I haven't. I'm not funded with I'm not funded with what's it called? the funded futures desk yet, or the futures desk yet. Oh, so it's 8 o'clock. All right, so I got 1 more hour. Okay, 1 more hour. Damn, silver, you couldn't let me in this? You couldn't let me stay in this? Damn, they had the nerve to reject off that level. They had the nerve to reject off that level. Okay. Yeah. Well, I think they wouldn't have any choice. They wouldn't have a choice unless they come up with their own thing. Hmm. Mm. Mm. Looks like it's crazy that it's crazy how sometimes me and Smith can be in sync. We don't have to talk, but we just be doing the same thing. When was the last time I took an NQ trade? When was the last time I took an NQ trade? I just happened to look at the NQ and took the trade, and Smith showed me his NQ screenshot. They have a 6K. Really? Don't you gotta work your way up to that though? It's like, well, maybe they've changed. Maybe they've changed. I think this is a trailing drawdown account though. I think it's a trailing drawdown, Alfred. Do you want? Is that what you want? It's a trailing drawdown on it. End of day. Oh, you're talking about. Oh, okay. I see which one you're talking about. Drawdown fixed to 194. Does that mean that's a static drawdown, right? I mean, as long as you stay above 194, you should be good, right? I think you got honest. I think you got to work. Hold on. Do you got to work your way up to that? Yeah, I think you got to work your way up to that, Alfred. Yeah, you got to work your way up. The gauntlet. Hmm. Uh, yeah, I see what you're talking about. Yeah, you're right. Huh. 'Cause I think scalping silver is probably the move. Scalping silver is probably the move. First target hits just like that. This scalping strategy that I designed for ES works perfectly on silver. Who would have thunk it? $6,000 a drawdown, huh? So I really don't know what this means or what they mean by this. They said a subscription renewal does not reset a failed evaluation and does not include a free reset. Then why am I allowing it to rebuild? I mean, isn't that the whole point, right? So I guess what they're trying to say is that if you fail it, you have to reset it. And you can reset at the lower price. Or if you let it rebuild, you're just going to rebuild and you still would have to reset it. That's interesting. That's interesting. Shit, honestly, I just want to see what kind of products that I can trade on it. That's what I was really looking for. Oh, you said it's a 10-day eval. Am I misreading this? I know you got to at least trade at least 10 days. Honestly. Damn, silver? Man, I'm so upset. Well, I'm not upset. I'm just disappointed that I missed this move, man. I missed this pullback. I should have just taken it. I should have just opened a position here. It just sucks when you kind of look back at it and it's like, I guess in hindsight, then that was the move. It was a perfect entry, a perfect tap, and a bounce. Yeah, it's like a 10-day eval. Yeah, you gotta trade at least 10 days. Kind of like the futures desk. Earn to trade, Investor Z. I'll actually post the link in the chat. Well, I mean, shit, if you caught, I mean, the Nasdaq gave you 3 opportunities to make money today. You made, actually 4. You made money in the pre-market. You made money off of this bounce in Asia or at Globex Open, and then in Asia, and then in London, and then in New York. So, I mean, you've had plenty of opportunities to make money on at least the Nasdaq. Either you made money or you lost your account, unfortunately. Seems like the ES only gave you this big move down, this bounce, this big move, and then this big move higher, and chop. Like I said, I was able to make money in gold today, and I lost money in gold today and silver after being up, missing entries. If you cut off the electrical signals and you no longer feel it. uh, I don't like missing moves like that. Mm. Mm. Ugh. One tower. It's been so long since I used that platform. Mm. Shit. Really? Well, I guess what this tells me is that potentially we could see a big move down tomorrow. Both gold and the silver just went parabolic. Hmm. Because they have to, I guess silver is just the same thing with gold now. I guess silver already kind of did his thing. Yeah, it's like both of them. Yikes. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, I'm just looking at the structure right now on silver. I'm just trying to get see where it can potentially pull back to. Make me stay, so take your hands off. I know your every move, so won't you please that? I've been here times before, but I was too pleased that you seduce every man this time. Won't she said this thing you know, she make me in the arms. All right. All right. So, very interesting day. Very interesting day. And she wouldn't do it on purpose, obviously. But... I mean, I doubt it. I guess because I only give myself just one chance to really be successful, really. And it's a two-legged pullback into resistance. I mean, we may get a bounce, but okay. Well, all right, guys. I'm out of time for this session. I will not be taking trades like that again. I just won't be taking trades like that. And just moving forward, I'm just gonna wait I'm just going to take the pullback trade. I'm not looking to get in anymore as the market is going in its intended direction until I start to see signs of reversal. Because, man, sometimes the market will go in your favor and then sometimes it just won't. So, today we was able to get our money back in the Nasdaq, and I lost money on silver and try to get in front of it. It stopped me out, and then it stops me out. And then we see the rejection. We do see the double top, but I don't trust bears. Bears don't finish the job. So I'm not going to be too upset. It's just a lesson learned moving forward. I'm not going to take that trade anymore. So I'll just wait for the pullback like I always do. So. But I do appreciate everybody that joined me today. We'll definitely come back later on tonight, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody. Have a good day.